covers look great. I made it.
Very nice. Get rid of them.
What, you don't like the rims?
It's already changing them. Let me record it next time, you bitch. Oh, hold on. That is insane.
This is worse than a Mercedes.
Oh, yeah.
God.
Ready?
Now, what's all the big concern about this shift? It looks like...
What about the shifter?
I don't know. Everything I read was just some kind of weirdness. Looks fine to me.
So sorry.
Uh-oh, there's a neighbor. They're calling the popo.
No, they were giving thumbs up.
I know, but there was one over there. I didn't really think it's that loud. You know it?
From inside, it's not that bad.
Pretty obnoxious out there. You have to watch out for here. These are yields. Those are yield signs. They're not stop signs.
Oh yeah, no, I'm watching.
Somebody ran into me on my bicycle one time.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Yeah, they didn't stop.
They just yielded.
Yeah, they did exactly what they were
God
supposed to do. I think the Mercedes will take you.
Oh yeah. It's not fast.
That's fast. Yeah, that's nice there. Very nice.
Chinese fire drill.
All right, man.
You're up.